Hey, what's up guys? David Rishka here with the Success Keeper, and I'm coming to you every single day with my brand new videos, and we talk about how to make money online. I am here to inspire you, motivate you, and help you to get started online. Or if you are already online business owner, I will help you to create more success and get you started on a new journey to reach higher levels. Okay, and in today's video, I want to talk about how to start making money with zero investment. Okay, so I'm gonna introduce two-step process where you can start making money immediately with zero investment by being affiliate of Amazon. Everybody heard of Amazon. Amazon is the largest online platform or shopping center where people go and buy all kinds of different products. Amazon has been around for probably like 20 years now, and they started out with selling just books, but now they sell pretty much everything. You can even have groceries delivered through Amazon. Okay, so I'm gonna switch over to my computer screen so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay guys, here we go. So as I was talking about before about Amazon, so I am on the Amazon Associates website. So when you go to amazon.com, you're gonna scroll down and click on a link at the bottom of Amazon that says Amazon affiliates. And when you click on Amazon affiliates, it's gonna bring you to this window over here. Okay, so let me just show you how it's done. So I'm gonna go to Amazon over here. Okay, so this is the main page for Amazon, and when you scroll down over here all the way down, you're gonna go to Amazon affiliate, becoming an affiliate over here. You click on that and it's gonna bring you to a new page. You're gonna click on join now for free, and you're gonna become a Amazon affiliate. So you can promote products that are sold on Amazon, and it's gonna generate a affiliate link. And so that's step number one. You wanna go ahead, go to Amazon, become associate. And step number two is you're gonna do review for different products. So if you have at home anything that you bought on Amazon, or if you have anything at home that's being sold on Amazon, you can create reviews about that product that you are using. Okay, so for example, I'm gonna use as an example a hoverboard. Okay, hoverboards are very popular right now. So for example, if you have a hoverboard at home, you can create reviews by recording videos on YouTube. Just like over here, this guy created a review for off-road hoverboard, and it has 453,000 views. And you know that when people are looking for reviews for certain products, they have the intent of buying a product. So they go usually on YouTube and they check out different videos, and then they go find out the details, and then they go and shop for it. So what do you want to do after, below the video, you create a description of the video that you created and the review. You write everything down here, and then you're gonna put your affiliate link down here for the product that you were talking about. Okay, and when they click on the product, it's gonna take them to a sales page on Amazon where they can purchase the product, the hoverboard in this case, and you're gonna get a commission from Amazon. Okay, and you can do it with anything, any product that you have at home. It could be vitamins, it could be I don't know, if you buy couch, furniture, whatever. And you can create review, just record it. You can record it with your cell phone and then post it to your YouTube account, okay? And you know, put the links and descriptions below the video. And but you have to do it consistently. You have to do it on daily basis, or at least 3 or 4 or 5 times a week, so YouTube sees consistency. And when somebody goes and look for example, like I did hoverboard, okay, then it's gonna pop your video, not in the beginning, but after you have a certain amount of videos downloaded to your or uploaded to your YouTube channel, then YouTube will recognize you as a being serious on YouTube and promoting and advertising and creating valuable content, and they will bump up your videos to the top of the search. So when somebody types in hoverboard, you're gonna be in the top 5 or top 10. That's gonna pop up for the videos. People will click on your video, scroll down, read the reviews, click the link, go purchase the product, and then you're gonna get paid commissions, okay? It takes some time. It takes some effort. You're gonna have to create videos, you're gonna have to talk, you're gonna have to create some content. The best way is to do it every single day, so YouTube sees consistency and ranks you higher when somebody is looking for something like that, you know, whatever you are promoting. So it is guys, extremely easy to do. It doesn't cost you any money, but you have to put the time and effort into it. You're gonna have to, it doesn't take that long to create a video and upload it into YouTube. It's pretty simple process. You just have to be consistent, okay? Nothing happens overnight. The Rome wasn't built overnight, okay? So everything takes some time. There are kids on YouTube making thousands or $10,000s of dollars every single month because they create videos almost every single day. They have huge following, and it didn't take them one day. It took them a few months or a couple of years, okay, to create that following. But every time you create a new video and somebody's following you, it will send them a email or some kind of notification that you uploaded another video, and people who follow you will go watch that video and read the reviews and click on the links, and that's how you're gonna start making money. And YouTube will also pay you eventually for creating videos, for the clicks that are being made on your channel to your videos, because they can use it as a promoting or advertising, okay? If you want to take your business to the next level and make more money than just selling somebody's products, or you know, making a couple of hundreds here and there, I'm gonna leave a affiliate link below this video, and my number one recommendation of how I make money on the internet. I am also affiliate marketer for a company who creates digital products. We teach people how to advertise and market online, and we have several products. I don't know if you watched my other videos about value ladder. So we have different products from $30 all the way up to $20,000, and every time somebody purchases that product, you know, we get paid commissions also. So I'm gonna leave a link below this video. Go ahead and click on the link and check out the video and the this description of the business that we are involved with. And I want to thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Below this video is a button that says subscribe, and right next to it is another button with a little bell on it. Click on that also, and it will give you notification every time I upload a new video, okay? So if you want to get more videos on how to make money online, or if you need some motivation or inspiration, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna be coming to you every single day with brand new videos to help you to get started on a new journey and help you to start making money online. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. My name is David Rishka with Success Keeper, and I will see you on my next video. You take care for now.